Minimizing your risk of pneumonia. Opening with a serene view of a healthy, vibrant community, the video fades in from black. Pneumonia can be frightening, but it's preventable. The scene transitions to a doctor in a modern clinic. Vaccination is your first line of defense. Protect yourself and your loved ones. Cut to a family laughing together in a sunny park. Practice good hygiene. Washing your hands regularly can significantly reduce your risk. As we move indoors, we focus on a person quitting smoking. Eliminate tobacco use. Smoke damages your lungs' ability to fight infections. The video now shows a person exercising in a fresh morning. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise strengthens your immune system against infections. Transition to a peaceful bedroom scene. Ensure adequate rest and sleep. Your body heals and strengthens its defenses when you're asleep. Closing with the same serene community view, now dusk. Together, by taking simple steps, we can reduce the risk of pneumonia. Stay healthy, stay protected.